Any stinky room will be smelly after this tip. Bad odor from feet, armpits, or sweat will be gone. And it's very simple to do, you won't believe it. But first, tell me, from which city are you watching us? You will need a small container with a lid. Next, you will chop cotton into the container. Now, in another container, we are going to put 4 tablespoons of rock salt. The coarse salt serves to preserve our aroma. Add 4 tablespoons of 70% alcohol next to the coarse salt. The alcohol helps our aroma to exhale more easily and last longer in the air. Mix the coarse salt so that the alcohol can spread. After this, we will pass this coarse salt into the container that holds the absorbent cotton. If it fits, you can put it all in. Next we will use the surprise ingredient. It's vanilla. Put in a few drops. You will feel how good it will smell. I'm going to use this essence, but you can use whatever essence you have at home. And to finish, I'll put some cloves on top. You can add as many as you want. Do you know that fresh-smelling environment? That's what this combination of ingredients will do to your room. That's why it eliminates any bad odor. You will cover the container and let it marinate for about 40 minutes. After the 40 minutes I will open it. The smell is wonderful. You put it on top of a piece of furniture, inside your closet, inside your shoe rack, inside your drawer, or inside your bathroom. You put it in the room or the place where the bad smell bothers you the most. It's really good. Folks, I would like to pass on a message that is in Romans chapter 12 verse 21. Do not be overcome by evil, but overcome evil with good. This verse tells us that we must maintain our Christian principles in the midst of all opposition, and thus show the power of the gospel by disarming our enemies with kindness and patience. That is the real victory in Christ Jesus. Until the next video. Bye bye.